Unraveling, Chumming the Water, a dive into language. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're diving into a very interesting phrase, chumming the water. This expression has a vivid imagery and a specific origin, but it's used metaphorically in various contexts. Stick around as we break down its meaning, origin, and how you can use it in your conversations. Chumming the water literally refers to the practice of fishermen throwing chum into the water. Chum is bait consisting of fish parts, blood, and bones, which is used to attract larger fish, like sharks. However, when we use this phrase in everyday language, we're often not talking about fishing. Metaphorically, chumming the water signifies any action taken to attract something or someone, often with the intention of luring them into a certain behavior or reaction. It's about creating a situation that draws attention or incites activity. The origin of chumming the water is deeply rooted in fishing practices. For centuries, fishermen have used chum to attract fish, making it easier to catch them. This practical technique has evolved into a metaphorical expression in the English language, illustrating how words and phrases can develop new meanings over time. Now that you know what it means, let's talk about how you can use chumming the water in your daily conversations. Here are a few examples. In business, a company might release a teaser of an upcoming product on social media, chumming the water, to gauge customer interest. In politics, a politician might leak information to the press to chum the water and see how the public reacts before making a policy decision. In personal dynamics, someone might share a bit of gossip to chum the water and spark a conversation among friends. And there you have it. Chumming the water is a vivid expression that captures the essence of attracting attention or stirring activity, with its roots in the age-old practice of fishing. We hope this video has shed some light on this interesting phrase and how you can use it in your own language journey. Remember, English is a living language, rich with expressions that paint pictures and tell stories. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Happy learning!